Who were the daughters of men that reproduced with the sons of God that birthed the seed of the giants? Did the watchers target a certain group of women to birth their children? The scripture said when men began to multiply and daughters were born unto them, the sons of God saw that the daughters of men were beautiful and took wives of all which they chose. The watchers did not discriminate on the women they chose to bring forth the race of giants that tormented the indigenous people and corrupt the earth. The scriptures do not go into details about the daughters of men. The book of Enoch disclosed what happened to the daughters of men who birthed the Nephilim giants.